Here are the heads. Looks good. Pretty much almost everything is done. And this thing right here, process, man, process. Every time. Finally got around to getting this thing washed. That was a cool like 2 weeks. And we have one new mod. Bow. When we came through, we did a slight tint on the tail lights. I think it's a light smoked. Ooh. Space jizzles. Still crispy, oh nice. No 45 on the back. So how we living, man? You guys feeling good? I'm feeling great. I got a haircut. I'm feeling amazing, shit. This is my actual first cut in like 2 months, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Looking like bum kicks. Hold on, let's get a peep of that Q50. Ooh, shit. All up in your paint. Bro, really? He just said, fuck your car. Bro, am I getting pulled over or what? Oh, he's pulling over the truck. Motorcycle cop was behind me, pulled the lights. I was like, oh, you gotta be shitting me. I wasn't even doing nothing. Whew, that was close. I think he pulled that truck over for making that turn. Oh, Pete, we got a little blue Evo right here. Damn, okay. This was clean. That was the first time the boys was looking out for me. He was like, you really gonna cut fresh kicks off like that? Say less. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, a new Supra. Weak. Big spotted right here. Dude rolled the window down, said what's up. Don't you hate when you just wash your car and you just hit a nice fresh bug? Like, why are you flying on the freeway, bro? Go fly somewhere else. Woo! What's up, my dude? What's up, what's up? How are you? You already know. Oh, yup. So I was really indecisive on the hood because there's a lot of different hoods. Most of them, this part right here, is like raised like too much and I wasn't really feeling that. Hopefully fitment's A1. Very nice. What's that? It's time for some corn. Yes, sir. Yo, so I'm gonna have a funny video soon. I'm gonna race Josh's truck. This shit's actually pretty quick. So I'm gonna race this truck with the Q50 and see how that goes. Imagine I get gapped, bro. That shit's gonna be hilarious. Obviously it's not like a top end vehicle, but that shit makes a lot of torque. So like from a dig, it takes off. I feel like he'll take off on me, but probably in second gear, I'm gonna start catching up or passing him, or I just get gapped. That'll be a funny video though. So we're gonna get that fade in soon. So yeah, I'm on my way to drop off these stock heads and pick up the new heads. I went with the American Heritage Performance heads. I know everybody's biased, you know what I'm saying? Go here, go there, go Texas Racing, go to Race Proven, go Frankenstein. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody has their own opinions on who's better or whatever. No matter what you buy for your car, there's always gonna be someone out there to say, oh, that's trash, or you should have got this, or you should have went there. It's like, you know, everybody's biased about shit. So I heard good things. They were local and they were gonna provide me the fastest turnaround time. So I was trying to get this Vette up and running like ASAP. I didn't want to wait a month or 3 weeks or shit. I didn't even want to wait 2 weeks. Some people talking shit, saying they're trash, but it is what it is. As long as the head looks good, works, makes power, I don't give a shit. So we're gonna see how it goes. Damn. And we just pulled up. Got fresh kicks over there. Got another fresh kicks inside of there. And that's that. Picked up the heads. Give me a couple little, you know, little gifts. Always like these, remove before launch, you know what I'm saying? I believe I just talked to Jake over here. Super cool guy, hella chill. Yeah. That's gonna be that, fam. And we about this joint. Blue face, baby. Oh man. That's always fun. Sorry, scratched up the driveway a little bit, my bad. The heads look good. Once I get back to the shop, damn, stay in your lane, G. So once I get back over to the shop, I'll take them out of the plastic and let you guys check them out. What's up, G? Is that an ETR? They through the hazards. Okay. I don't know if he knows me or not, he might. Freaking love GTRs. The car's so sexy. I'm getting another one. This will be my 3rd GTR. I'm gonna get another one. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna get an R34 too one day. I need R34, R35 in the stable. I need that. It's just 2 cars that I have to have, like, always, you know what I'm saying? The only reason I got rid of my 2 GTRs is because I wanted the Nismo. Like, that's the one that I wanted. It's the one that I still want. Like, I'm not gonna buy another GTR unless it's a Nismo. I'm just waiting for them to, like, in the price, you know? Maybe in about a year or 2, I'll get another one. But yeah, that's definitely my dream car. Like, I love GTR.
2 hours later.
We back. Damn, look at Big Red. The engine looks so tiny without the heads on it. I can't wait to try that thing again. Right, got a little bit of Christmas going on. Here are the heads. Looks good. The port though.
One week later.
What's happening? We're making some progress. She's almost done. Looking clean. Sheesh. That intake though. That throttle body though. That manifold though. Them heads though. Hell yeah. So pretty much almost everything is done. Fill system, just gotta hook up all the lines, put the pump on, the long tubes, a few other little things, but after that it's pretty much almost ready to start up. I'm excited, man. I'm pumped. This shit's gonna be so worth the wait. I want to hear how crazy this shit's gonna sound, bruh. You know, a good plate for this would be Misfire. This shit gonna be Lope boys. Another good plate would be El Chapo. Ah, man. I'm pumped, man. I'm pumped. I want to drive this shit so bad. Tomorrow he's gonna pretty much finish all the exhaust and everything like that, and should be able to get a startup tomorrow night. I'm not sure if I'm gonna drive all the way back for the startup, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. And then after that, we should be able to get like a base street tune on it by maybe Saturday, latest Monday. So for sure, like next week or this weekend, I should be able to drive it home. After I get that base tune, I'm just gonna be like kind of taking it easy, just to make sure everything's cool. Then we're gonna get that dyno tune, and after the dyno tune, full motherfucking sin. So yeah, we have the carbon hood that's gonna go on. I do want to get my lights done. There's a guy that does these lights, the whole inside carbon fiber. That shit looks sick. But honestly, I'm just like hella money into this thing already, so I don't really care. The black housing looks clean enough for me. I do want to get new lenses though, because these are all cracked. Lenses are like 200 bucks, so it's not even that bad. I bought tail lights for it. I have some sick ass tail lights coming. These OEM ones are Basuda. They just look hella outdated. The ones that I have, they're smoked. It has like a little indentation, and it has a halo ring. So those are gonna be pretty sick. I don't know what's going on with this exhaust. This shit looks terrible with the dual muffler. The stock exhaust is gonna go back on it. The stock exhaust actually has factory valves, so you could do a little electronic valve mod with it, and pretty much use the stock muffler, and you can have an electronic cutout with the button. So that's pretty cool. Definitely gonna need that, because this shit is going to be rowdy. It's gonna be crazy loud. And yeah, we're gonna have my yellow fogs are gonna go on. Nothing crazy. I'm not trying to do too much to this car. I really just wanted it full bolt on in a sick cam, and just have the exterior look super clean. The car is, like I already said, it's pretty much mint condition. It's locked right now, but oh yeah, calipers. Once everything's good and the car's running solid, I'm gonna take it to get the calipers done. We're gonna do ZR1 blue on the calipers, something a little different, you know. Got too much red going on, so a little blue to stand out. It's gonna be the Superman mobile. Hella pumped though, man, hella pumped. I can't wait. I know you guys can't wait. I know a lot of people want to see this thing running. Trust me, me too. But sheesh, look at that paint. Boys hooked it up, man. That paint correction is bananas.
1 hour later!
You ready to get the gap from the Z06?
You bought it here?
No, it's not done yet.
Oh.
But are you ready for the gap?
No, you're the one who's getting gapped, not me, buddy.
The FD?
1.3 liter. You know, you won't even stand for a chance.
I don't know if we're gonna see full bolt-on cam Z06 versus semi P-port FD. Well, this man Adrian forgot to put his hood pins on. Blew the whole windshield. Windshield looking nice though. It's 240. Engine out of my Nismo is going into this Nismo. Homie Gerardo bought it. It's gonna be the new mid-mount kicks right here. So he bought everything from me, motor, kit, it's all going on there. Basically everything from my car. And this thing right here, process, man, process. We gotta finish up the tube front end. He's gonna come this weekend. We're gonna mock everything up so we can mount the radiator and the intercooler. Then after that, we can start on the manifold. After the manifold, we could do the piping. Then once the piping's done, pretty much we're gonna be smooth sailing from there. It's just gonna be, you know, dressing it up, basically getting the manifold off to get chrome, turbo housing chrome, a few little accessories, take the engine back out, get the engine bay painted, we gotta do the fuel system, you know, just all the little stuff. And then yeah, it shouldn't be like too much time after that. Basically what's gonna take the longest really was just the fab work. So everything is pretty much all custom. All that stuff is custom. So if you guys are thinking about doing an RB swap on a G35 or Z chassis, basically just have a good fab guy and just someone that knows what they're doing, because it's not direct bolt-in. There's like almost everything that you have to do is custom. All right, let's get it. I haven't got a ride in this yet, so I believe it makes 790 to the wheel. Very nice. That shit. Alright. I got 4 cars I need to make it home to. Where's the bitch ass at? Right, down there. Bitch, where you going? Just sounds sick. Look at Miss boosting, bro. Like, it's just life. Oh my god. I didn't want that. Oh, it's fucking anti-lag. Alright, so we're gonna try this again.
We're still out here doing bolt on shit.
HR swap boys. How about them apples? This is the engine from the dirt bag. I don't know if you guys remember the dirt bag. Remember I raced it? The dirt bag was George's G35 that was fully gutted, same motor, same kit. Yes, the master tuner is gonna fix it.
¿Qué? ¿Qué quieres, pinche puta?
Alright, so the crank sensor is hella dirty. Damn! Might be good now.
Damn, perro, it might be fixed, fool. Stop playing with this, fool, dog. Hey, fool, pass the balloon. Pass the balloon, fool. That fool, they're playing, dog.
Yeah, it sounded good right there. It's kind of normal. And just like that, we are in Mexico.
Make sure it's on top.
Just like that. Let's go. Let's get it. All that because of the dirty crank sensor. Woo! Hell yeah.